In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the image from the frame in Canva. If you've ever wanted to keep a frame in your design, but swap out the picture inside it, this is exactly what you need. Frames in Canva act like placeholders that crop and contain your images. Removing just the image lets you keep the design structure intact, so you can drop in a new photo later without rebuilding anything. Start by opening your project. Once your design is on the screen, click the frame that currently holds the image you want to remove. You'll know it's selected when you see a visible outline or handles around it. Make sure you're selecting the actual frame with the image inside, not nearby text or other decorative elements. If multiple items are close together, a careful click directly on the picture area helps ensure you have the frame selected. When the frame is selected, a small context bar appears near your selection or at the top of the editor. This is your quick action toolbar for the item you've selected. Look for the trash icon on that bar. The trash icon is the delete control for what you have selected, and when you click it, Canva will offer you two choices. You'll see two options: delete image or delete frame. This distinction matters. Delete frame removes the entire frame along with the image, which changes your layout. Delete image removes only the picture, but leaves the frame in place as an empty placeholder. Since we want to clear the photo while keeping the frame, click Delete Image. That's it. The image disappears, and the frame remains exactly where it was in your design. You'll see an empty frame shape that's ready for a new photo. Later, you can drag in a different image from your uploads or the Canva library, and it will snap right into that frame with the same size and cropping behavior. If you don't see the context bar, double-check that the frame is selected. You can also look for a highlight around the frame to confirm. And if you ever remove the wrong thing, deletions are reversible, so you can quickly undo and try again. To recap the process in one smooth flow, open your project, click the frame holding the image, click the trash icon in the context bar, choose Delete Image, and your frame stays while the photo goes. Simple, precise, and perfect for maintaining your layout.